Now more than ever, it's been a challenging time, and our flight attendants have maintained professionalism, and they've been the face of the airline to the customers.
Your flexibility and adaptability, along with your dedication to Piedmont, is recognized and greatly appreciated.
The diligence that our work group has shown and the positive attitude so many of them display on a day-to-day basis is valued and appreciated.
Our flight attendants here at Piedmont really do take pride, and it's really succeeding in the message that we're trying to get out there and what we're trying to accomplish.
Piedmont Flight Attendant Group, thank you for all they've done for us this year. Thank you for the last couple months in this unsure and uncertain time.
You know, even with not knowing certain things, they still come to work, they smile for the passengers. They do, everything they can for the passengers while not only, that customer service aspect, but keeping them safe as well as keeping themselves safe and the crew as well. They've done very well. Thank you very, very much.
We look forward to seeing you at the gate, and anything that we can do to best support you, we're here for.
Not all heroes wear capes, some wear wings, so I truly appreciate every single one of you.
I would like to personally thank each one of you for making this a great airline to work for.
I would put any of my flight attendants up to any other flight attendant in the industry.
As far as I'm concerned, the best in the biz.
The easiest way to sum it up is thank you for being the best of the best.